Hi, today we are going to test out what primary colors are. So basically there are three primary colors, which is our yellow and our red and our blue. So let's test this out in watercolors and see how they fare depending on the amount of water that you're going to add. So I'm taking a little bit of yellow now, adding some water to it to make it really light. So you can create lots of hues that way with a single one by adding a lot of water. So here when I test the swatch, it's quite light. Now I add in some more color to this, and when I test it out, it comes darker. So this is how you create multiple colors using the same single hue. Let's do the same thing with red right now and see how it fares. So I'm taking a little bit of red, adding some water to it, make sure that it's mixed quite well, tapping all the excess, and we'll try a small swatch. So this is a nice bright red, and we've got the lighter version of it. So if I'm going to take some more color and add it on to my existing one, you will notice that it now becomes darker. So the more color, less water, darker the color it would be onto your paper. When you add less water, you'll get this effect. If you add more water, you'll get the lighter effect. Let's try the same thing for blue. Let me add it in the well. So these are also called as wells, which are there in your palette. So you can see when I add very less water and very less color, the color starts changing. You can see over here how light it becomes. But when you add it onto the paper, the color would be very, very different from what it is seen in the wells. This is why it is always a good idea whenever you buy any kind of paints to create a swatch set of all the colors that you have. So it'll give you a good idea of which color you want. Now I've taken some little bit of darker color and mixed inside this, and we get our third primary color, which is the blue. So this is how you create different colors using your primary colors. You can create a light and a dark set of everything. You can go multiple ways. You can go by adding a lot of more water. You can create multiple lighter versions. You can create multiple darker versions as well, which is very good for creating gradation into your artwork and making very good shadows and highlights in your paintings. So I hope you enjoyed this and you got to know about primary colors in water. Thank you.